This demonstration we're going to look at configuring BitLocker. BitLocker allows us to encrypt drives. So what we're going to do here is we're going to actually turn this on by using group policies. So what we've done here is we've come into our group policy management editor. All we're going to do here is just actually modify our default domain policy. So we'll right click and click edit. Then what we're going to do here is we're going to come into the computer settings. And within computer settings, what we're then going to do is we're just going to go to policies. So we'll just expand this up. We'll go to policies. Below policies, what we're going to do is go to admin templates. And then below admin templates, we're going to expand Windows components. And within Windows components, what we're looking for here is we're looking for BitLocker drive encryption. So we'll click on this. Then what we're going to do here is we're just going to go for our fixed data drives. So we'll double click. Then what we're going to do is we're going to choose how BitLocker protected fixed drives can be recovered, and we'll just double click. We want to enable this policy. We're going to ensure that Save BitLocker recovery information to Active Directory Domain Service fixed drives is ticked. And what we're also going to do is scroll down a little bit here, and we're going to turn on the little tick box here that says do not enable BitLocker until recovery information is stored in Active Directory for fixed data drives. Now that we've done all of that, we'll just select OK. And what we'll do is we'll just close down the group policies because we don't need them anymore. Next thing we need to do here is we just actually need to apply this to our server machine. So what we'll do here is we'll just go to LonServe1. And on LonServe1, what we want to do here is we just want to get the group policy to run. So what we'll do here is we'll open up a command prompt. Then what we'll do here is we'll run gp update /force. Now that's complete, we'll give the server a restart. So we'll restart the server, we'll wait for it to come back up, and then we'll continue on through the demonstration. So now the server's back up and running, the next thing to do here is install our BitLocker feature. So what we'll do on LonServe1 is we'll add roles and features. Then we'll select next. Just in the case of the installation type, we will go for role-based to feature-based. Specify our destination server. We're not going to bother with any roles, but we are going to bother here with features. So what we want to enable here is our BitLocker drive encryption. We'll add the additional features as well. Then what we'll do is select our next button. And what we'll do here is we'll turn on the tick box to restart the destination server automatically if required and say yes. Then what we'll do is we'll select install. Now this is going to go away and install the BitLocker feature. What it will also do as part of this installation is it will also do a restart. So at this point here, we'll just pause the demonstration and return back once the installation and reboot are complete. And as we can see, the installation is now complete, so we'll just select close. Next thing we'll do here is we'll just go to control panel. So we'll right click, go to control panel. Now we're in control panel, all we'll do here is we'll just do a search for BitLocker. So as we can see, we now have our BitLocker drive encryption. So what we'll do here is we'll click on the BitLocker drive encryption. We'll just click on the little drop down next to our F drive. And what we want to do here is we want to turn on BitLocker. Then what we'll do here is we'll use a password to unlock the drive, and we'll specify the password and re-enter the password. Then what we'll do is select next. Then what we're going to do here is just under how do we want to back up our recovery key, what we're going to do here is we're going to save this to a file. And what we're going to do here is we're going to save it on the E drive, lab files, mod 10, and then what we'll do here is we'll just select save. It says here it's a good idea to have more than one recovery key and keep each in a safe place on your PC. Yep, I'm happy with that, so we'll select yes. And potentially what we'll also do as well is print our recovery key. So we'll just print that off as well. And all we'll do here is we'll just call it recovery key. So now we've done that, we're just going to save that onto the, let's save it in my documents here. And we'll just save it in the root of the documents and click save. So what we've also done there as well is we've also printed off our recovery key, so we now have 2 copies. Final thing to do now is click Start Encrypting. So as you can see, it's now going away and encrypting our disk. Encryption is now complete. So at this point here, what we'll do is we'll just select Close. And that's the end of this demonstration of enabling BitLocker. Thank you.